Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is Agota here. For this Christmas holiday I came to London, England, and now that Christmas is over we have time to actually explore London. I'm super excited. We are going to go for the Clink Prism Museum and have some lunch and do some sightseeing, so it will be a great day. So just come with me, I will show you around. But before we continue, please like this video and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. So if you did so, then let's get going.
And pose. That means clap. Okay? Okay, I'm going to stick on a bit more music. Let's see if we can get this show started.
Central London. Here we are at the market. We already saw some nice juggling show and we are on our way to get the tickets. Going to travel with one of these famous red buses. There's an elephant at the metro station. Here you can see the Southwark Cathedral. You can just see a boat in the middle of the city. Arrived to the Clink Prism Museum. This is from 1144. Here you can see some blacksmith.
Tis my life they should teach you to prove me.
He's the Bishop of Rome. is quite scary with these figures, and they even make these crying sounds. So don't come here if you can get disturbed by these. But it's interesting, you can learn about history. It's all written on the walls, but it is like a bit disturbing. William Weston.
He was most clever at picking the locks of our doors and closing them again.
That is what London Bridge used to look like. It used to have markets on it. See some pirates. Came into this prison cemetery. This is the museum. It was like quite disturbing, as I said, but at the end we did some quiz. First we failed the adult quiz, but then we took the children's quiz and we passed that, so we could escape from the prison. So we are out in the street again. We're going to go for Cafe Nero to have some coffee and food, because we are quite hungry and we need the coffee also. So we got our lunch, we are going to enjoy it now. I ordered this sandwich, and also it's a traditional British cake, it's called the mince pie. And also we have coffee. So our lunch was delicious, now we are on our way to the cinema. Usually it's quite wet and foggy, rainy. Our drinks, and now we are going to watch the movie Kingsman. I'm really excited for it.
And relax. It's time to free your imagination.
The movie was really interesting. Now we came back home. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.